In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable multi-factor authentication specifically for connecting to target devices, adding an additional security layer. To start, the administrator navigates to the System Configuration Management menu. Here, administrator locate the configuration parameter for enabling MFA on RDP connections and sets this parameter to true. With MFA enabled for RDP, let's see how the user connects to a target device. The user logs into Kron PAM using MFA as usual, entering both their password and a one-time password generated by the Kron PAM mobile app. After logging in, the user selects the target device they wish to access via RDP. Since MFA is now required for RDP connections, the user is prompted to enter an MFA code before the connection is established. This additional MFA step ensures that only authorized users with both the Kron PAM password and a verified MFA code can access RDP sessions. Similarly, MFA can be activated on other connection types. In this example, MFA is enabled for the user's SSH connections to the target device, both when connecting to the SSH proxy and for the target device. Administrators can configure at which stage of the connection process MFA is required. This flexible approach allows you to secure connections across different device types and protocols, applying MFA exactly where it's needed to strengthen access control.